It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I have got a Trader Joe haul for you. My mom and my cousin went to Trader Joe's yesterday, and my mom brought home all kinds of fun stuff, beauty stuff, and gingerbread kit. I'm like, yay! I've not been to Trader Joe's in forever. It's funny. I think a lot of people think I shop a lot. Aside from Bath and Body Works, I don't get out much, honestly. I'm so busy doing my actual filming and my laundry and just everything that I have to do on a day-to-day basis. Being a mom, just everything. I really don't leave the house much. I need to get out more. But I was so happy that my mom was able to get out with my cousin and go to Trader Joe's because she got, check it out, they have a gingerbread kit. This looks awesome. It's like a Swiss chalet almost. I cannot wait to see what this thing is all about. I'm going to try and build it. I am. I may try and do it on camera. I don't know. I was going to do a gingerbread house on camera. I need like a table here in front of me. We'll see if I can do that. I also got the Body Butter Trio. This is citrus and cedarwood, brown sugar and fig, and sugar plum. How exciting is that? I don't know. I love Trader Joe beauty stuff. I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna try one of these. So citrus and cedarwood. Let me see. Oh, that smells good. This looks like a nice, oh, this formula is really nice too. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells amazing. I like the citrus in here. Okay, that one smells really, really good. These are, I don't know what, they're coconut oil, shea butter, and aloe. I also got sugar plum. Sugar plum. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I like that one. It's not too sweet, too. So I got sugar plum, and then I also got brown sugar and fig. Oh, that's nice too. These aren't super strong. If you don't like really pungent scents, I think you might like these. Okay, that's a nice set. I'm excited about those. She got the original exfoliant bar in almond ginger. I gotta try that. She got these are pop-up sponges. I gotta try one of these. I'm gonna do like a reel, or a YouTube short and show you what these do, but they're pop-up sponges. Those look exciting. She got the oatmeal and honey soap. I do like this. I've had this before. But the big thing she got is, check it out, the 12 Days of Beauty. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this right now. So, number one, let me see what I got in number one. Oh, I see how they work here. Number one is the eucalyptus lemon hand cream. Check that out. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if I can get all these out really quickly. Maybe I'll do my favorites. I'm going to do another few of my favorite things video. Here's number two. This is really cute. I don't know how much this was. They have the daily facial sunscreen, an SPF 40. Is there a price on here? I don't know what my mom paid for this. I think she said it was $19 maybe. That's number two. Number three is this one came out easily. This is the cranberry orange hand cream. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's already coming out. Okay, let me see. These are kind of sharp. Oh my gosh. Be careful on these. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this formula smells amazing. It's funny because the metal's a little bit sharp on here. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Where's number four? Oh, here's number four. Number four is a big one. I don't know what's in number four. We'll do number four here. Number four is, a clay mask, oil absorbing clay mask. Number five is right here. Let me see what's in number five. This is the hair detangler. I gotta try this. I definitely need a hair detangler. Number five. Number six. Oh, I bet you this is a lip scrub. I bet this is a lip scrub. It looks like a lip scrub. Yeah, it's the brown sugar lip scrub from Trader Joe. Number 7. Oh, here's number 7. Number 7 is right over here. This would make a really cute gift for someone. It really would. Oops. I can't. Oh, it's the candy cane. Oh, candy cane body butter. They got a Christmas thing in here. Oh, this is fun. Oh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. So I'm assuming this is the same body butter. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, that's pure on candy cane. Okay, that's nice. Number 7, number 8. I got number 8 over here. These are hard to open. Okay, number 8. Oh, check out number 8. I got a cute little, it's a eucalyptus shower steamer. Look how big this is. That's like a big shower steamer. I like this eucalyptus too. It's not like super, there's no mint in there. That's kind of nice. Okay, so that was number 8. Number 9. Number 9. You guys ready for 9? What the heck is this? Is this candy? It looks like candy. What is this? It's an exfoliating sugar cube. I've never seen one of these in my life. What the heck is this? It's an exfoliating sugar cube. I want to try this, like, really bad. Oh, it's all squishy. I want to try it. That's so cool. I didn't even know Trader Joe's had those. Okay, number 10. Is this 10? Number 10 is down here. This is 12 days. You know, if you're good, you do one a day, and then you get all kinds of neat stuff like every day. I'm not good, though. This is the, kombucha rose oil cleansing oil. Check that out. That is cool. And then number 11, I got 2 more, you guys. I got 2 more. Oh, the whole thing just ripped. Oh, we got rose bath salts with rose petals. Check that out. I like bath salts. These smell good. I usually don't like rose, but these smell amazing. Oh my gosh. And then the final one, I don't know how much this is. I should check. Marshmallow lip balm. Are you kidding, Trader Joe's? Oh my gosh. Marshmallow lip balm. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Marshmallow lip balm. So this was actually, oops, I just dropped the, bath salts. This was super cute. It keeps falling out. Check this out at Trader Joe's. This would make a really neat Christmas gift. Thinking it would. That's awesome. Okay, I think I like every single thing I got in here. That was exciting. So I will be doing the pop-up sponges on Instagram or a YouTube reel. Contains 12 sponges. Product of France. I'm excited. So anyway, definitely check out Trader Joe's. Lots of good stuff happening there. I really like this 12 Days of Beauty. Okay. A curated beauty collection. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.